Alphabet Adventures, the letter A. Hi there, little explorers. Welcome to the Amazing Alphabet Adventures. Today we're going to discover a super special letter. Can you guess what it is? It's the letter A. Say hello to the letter A. A is the very first letter of the alphabet. Isn't that cool? A can make different sounds, and it's in so many amazing words. Look, here's an apple. Apple starts with A. Can you say it with me? Apple. Great job. And here's an ant. Ant also starts with the letter A. They're tiny, but they're super strong. Can you say aunt? Wow, did you see that? It's an airplane. Airplane starts with A too. Airplanes can fly high in the sky. Let's say it together. Plane. Look at all the awesome things that start with the letter A. There's apple, ant, and airplane. What other words do you know that start with A? Remember, A is a special letter, and now you know some amazing words that start with A. Thanks for joining us on this alphabet adventure. See you next time, little explorers. Keep discovering more letters with us on Amazing Alphabet Adventures. Bye-bye.